Hi my friends, today we can see amazing moments with aircraft ever caught on camera. Enjoy watching. This aircraft didn't have enough runway. It was shot on camera from aboard of Boeing 777. That happened on the 20th of February in 2021 in USA. The left engine of the plane stopped working. Its fragments fell on a settlement. There was no damage. The plane landed with one engine. No one suffered. It happens quite often. This case happened 5 years ago, but unfortunately nothing is known about this incident. This crazy pilot is landing his plane in the jungle. I have a feeling he does it every day. Here you can see aircraft landing from the cockpit.
Good job, man. Good job. Good job. Yeah, good job.
Another landing onto the highway. When an airplane has some kind of brake, in this case they often land right on the highway. This light aircraft has a landing gear failure. The pilot had to land on the belly. A strong crosswind is a real obstacle to landing an airplane, and you have to be a real professional to land an airplane in such bad condition. This one has problem with his right landing gear, but anyway it landed relatively well. This fighter plane was flying very low, letting the resting people make rare shots. In strong headwinds, single-engine planes can take off right from the spot. Boeing at a low-level flight looks impressive. Here you can see condensation behind the plane, as the plane is flying at supersonic speed. This military transport aircraft is ready to land right on the beach. Just look at this. This is real aerobatics. This is one of the smallest aircraft in the world. This is Mriya, the biggest and heaviest aircraft in the world. was made in Russia. This miracle consisted of two fuselages and a joint wing. The name of this aircraft: Stratolaunch. This aircraft was designed to deliver space rockets to a certain height. At this point that's all, my friends. If you like my content, click your like, share your comments and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.